In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to completely delete browser history with BCWipe. Open BCWipe Task Manager. Click the Add Task icon. Here, you can name your wiping task. Enable Wipe Browser History. You can use BCWipe Task Manager to wipe all traces of your internet browsing history stored on your computer. For example, temporary internet files, cache, cookies, history, saved passwords, last active tabs, website addresses, images, saved forms, and so on. Select the browser where you want to wipe internet history. You can also select specific items to wipe from the list, or exclude items that you don't want to wipe. Now click on the Schedule tab. Here, you can set the starting time for the wiping task and its recurrence. You can set the task to start as soon as possible and frequency to once to run the task immediately one time. Apart from the regular scheduling, you can also select the task to start at user logon, at startup, or at user logoff/shutdown. Next, click on the Wiping Options tab. Under the Wiping Options tab, you can select from 19 different wiping schemes. MFT, or Master File Table, is a reserved space on an NTFS disk where the file system stores names and attributes of files. Small files may reside entirely inside MFT. It is recommended to enable this option for complete security. NTFS is a journaling file system and uses the NTFS log to record temporary data for all files which you have been working on. Transactions log file is used to restore the file system in case of a failure. File slack is the disk space from the actual end of a file up to the end of the last cluster used by the file. The space may contain data from files written there previously. Directory slacks may also contain names of the deleted files as well as other deleted data. Check directory slacks if you want to get rid of this unwanted data. Check the write log box if you want a log file afterwards. Click on the Save and Start button to start the task immediately. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to completely delete your browser history with BCWipe. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.